This is the most beautiful pizza dough that I have ever seen in my life. Beautiful brioche pizza, homemade from the scratch. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna make brioche pizza dough. Hopefully it turns out good, it rises overnight, and tomorrow we're gonna make brioche pizza. I can't wait. This is gonna be my favorite video of all time. Let's go make brioche pizza. So for this brioche pizza crust to take place, we're gonna have to do things a little different. First big change, instead of water, we're gonna use milk. Second big change, we're gonna add butter. And third big change is we're gonna add eggs to the dough. I already added sugar to this milk. Now I'm gonna add the yeast. Mix it in. I have to show you guys, after only 10 minutes, my yeast proved beautifully. It's amazing how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The rest of my stuff is ready. My flour is sifted. Eggs are at room temperature. And my butter is ready to go. So now I'm going to add 175 grams of milk, 5 grams of yeast, and 6 grams of sugar. This is what this mixture is. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. Now I'm going to add 300 grams of high gluten pizza flour. Now I'm going to start adding the butter, piece by piece, till it's all incorporated. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful brioche pizza dough. Olive oil. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge overnight, and we're gonna make some beautiful brioche pizza tomorrow. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. So it's day 2 of our brioche pizza project. So yesterday we made brioche pizza dough. It turned out amazing and beautiful. This is gonna make an amazing brioche pizza. So for this brioche pizza, we're gonna use fresh mozzarella cheese. We're gonna use the regular mozzarella cheese, Pecorino Romano, and I'm gonna use Muti pizza sauce with basil and oregano.
Because making pizza.
Yeah.
I like pizza. You've messed around, right?
That's right.
Messed around, right? Because you don't want to put in the wrong order.
That's right.
Because that will mess up your pizza. On the pizza. Also rocks on that pizza.
No rocks on the pizza.
Yeah, because that would be weird.
Yep.
and then you bite the rocks, and then you'll be like, ow, like that, right?
That's right.
Dump all the pepperoni on there, and then all the cheese on there. I don't want those things on my side, though.
Okay.
I don't want those things you're putting on my side. Right?
That's right.
But also, it looks like you messed it up and put, and also, it looks like
Right.
you kind of used one final cheese, right?
Beautiful brioche pizza, homemade from the scratch. Amazing, beautiful crust. Look at the crust on this pizza. This is amazing. Wow. Smells delicious. Smells like brioche bread. Here's the bottom of it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing. Doesn't get any better than this. This is amazing. Wow. This is unbelievable how beautiful this pie baked. Alright, there's only one thing left to do, right, Boogie?
Yeah.
We have to try the pizza, see how it turned out, if it's any good, right? So let's grab a slice. Whoa.
Slice. Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Although
That's
I know
a slice.
it's gonna taste, it's the same as a normal pizza.
So here's the side, here's the top of the slice.
Yeah.
That's the bottom of it.
Top of the slice, you already know, right?
From the side. It baked really, really good. It baked perfect. It looks really good and yummy.
Well,
And
How
now
do you
we're gonna
know?
eat it.
it tastes is gooder than normal one, right?
Tastes really good.
It's more good than normal, right?
Yeah. It's called brioche pizza.
Well, they don't have daytime pizza.
Mm-hmm.
This pizza doesn't exist, right?
Right.
It doesn't exist inside.
I just
Pizza
made
socks?
I just made it up. No, I just made it up.
Like, it doesn't go in pizza socks, right?
No.
You only make it.
Uh-huh.
My mommy doesn't know how to make pizzas.
No.
Doesn't, right?
Only Daddy knows.
But I don't know either. That's funny, right?
I'll teach you. All in all, brioche pizza makes a beautiful pizza, right? Tastes good. Follow the steps in this video.
Well, also,
Make yourself a
before I
brioche
got my
pizza.
whole head.
That's funny.
And I would
Make
just
yourself a brioche
swipe
pizza.
the punch.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you in the next video.